Diet and Alzheimer's. Diet is fundamental for maintaining overall health, not just of the body, but also the mind. For individuals living with Alzheimer's disease, the importance of diet becomes even more pronounced. The right foods can help manage symptoms. They can enhance well-being and even improve cognitive function. However, we must acknowledge the reality. People with Alzheimer's can become quite picky eaters. Changes in taste, memory, and routine can lead to aversions to previously enjoyed foods, making feeding a loved one more challenging. Research indicates that what we eat influences cognitive health. Diets rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and omega-3s are vital. Think of the Mediterranean diet, abundant in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, and healthy fats, that has been linked to a decreased risk of cognitive decline. One of the key challenges is stimulating their appetite. A beautiful meal, one that tantalizes the senses, can often awaken a dulled appetite. When a dish looks appealing and smells divine, it can spark curiosity and hunger within a person who may otherwise resist eating. Experimenting with new recipes and methods can transform mealtimes into an enjoyable experience rather than a mundane obligation. Consider crafting meals that include a variety of colors and textures. A vibrant stir-fry not only pleases the eye, but offers vital nutrients. Making mealtime an adventure is crucial. Exploring new recipes can also lead to bonding moments and shared joy. Try cooking together. Add a personal touch by incorporating dishes that hold significance in your loved one's life. Foods tied to cherished memories or family traditions. This can foster conversation, connection, and sometimes even revive forgotten moments of joy. It's about more than just food. From my own experience, I have found that shifting to 2 primary meals a day has yielded positive results for my clients and me. This approach can help simplify mealtime decisions and reduce stress around food. Focusing on 2 hearty meals ensures they're nutritionally dense. We can provide hearty breakfasts rich in whole grains, proteins, and fruits to kickstart the day, followed by a robust lunch. Changing routines can be beneficial. Introducing consistency in mealtimes can help create a comforting structure and predictability. Moreover, we can mix old habits with new ideas. Perhaps a lunch of chicken salad one day could transform into a savory chicken wrap the next. This constant evolution keeps the meal exciting and might reinvigorate an apathetic eater. Flexibility is crucial for their needs. Always pay attention to what you are putting on your plate. The food we choose serves as nourishment that has the power to heal and lift the spirit. By prioritizing a varied, healthy diet, we present the opportunity to impact both the body and mind positively. Thank you for listening.